Hello everyone. What we will do is we will go through the questions of the textbook. So even if you don't have the textbook, you can just go through this, or if you have it, you can just take it out. We will discuss the question answers. The ability of moving object to do a mechanical work, what is called? It is called as kinetic energy. Moving object will have kinetic energy. Second, an electric fan. So when you on the fan, you are giving which energy? You are giving electrical energy. So that would be converted to mechanical energy. That is kinetic energy. So answer is electrical to mechanical energy. Third, a burning candle. When you burn a candle, its chemical energy gets converted to light and heat. Right? Whenever you burn a candle, so the wax melts. So the wax contains chemical energy. When water falls from a height, so water is stored at a certain height that will have potential energy that would be converted to kinetic energy. So answer is potential to kinetic. What type of energy does the food we eat have? The food which we eat have chemical energy. What is the energy obtained from biomass? Now what is the meaning of bio? Bio is life. Mass means matter. So whatever is the dead remains of plants and animals which is deep buried inside the earth, it is called biomass. Okay, so what is the energy obtained from biomass? It is none of the above, because the solar we get from sun, wind energy we get from wind, hydro we get from water. Biomass, the energy which we get is actually biomass, biogas, or you can say fossil fuel. Even fossil fuel which we get, it is a type of energy. Next, an electric fan converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Cooking gas converts chemical energy to heat, because cooking gas is LPG, it is a chemical. Third, energy possessed by a spring. Spring is what? Potential, because when you press the spring, its shape changes. Next, the energy possessed by a body due to dash of its potential energy, due to its position or height. Now here the option is position. Fifth, the energy possessed by the body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. It is called kinetic energy. Clear? Next one, I will just zoom it. True or false? If false, you have to correct the statement. The ability to do work is called energy. True. Flowing water possesses potential energy. No. Moving water will contain kinetic energy. Third, sun is the ultimate source of energy. Very true. Heat is a form of thermal energy. True, because thermal is heat. The energy of an object due to its motion is called mechanical energy. No. Mechanical has two types, potential and kinetic. So your answer should be kinetic, since it is moving. Match the following: potential energy, kinetic energy, heat, nuclear and solar. Right side you have burning coal, nucleus of an atom, wound up spring, photosynthesis, running water. So potential energy means what? It is wound up spring, because you are changing the shape of it. Kinetic energy is running water. Right, running water will have kinetic energy. Heat, now when you burn coal you get heat. Nuclear, the word has come from nucleus. So nuclear energy which we get from uranium is called nucleus of an atom. Solar, solar is used for photosynthesis. Photo means light, and solar energy means the energy which we get from sun. Pick the odd one out. Table fan, washing machine, bell, mixer. Now table fan, washing machine and mixer grinder, you can see all the energies, all the devices, we have something which is rotating. So it has kinetic energy, whereas bell, it does not have kinetic energy. So you can say others have kinetic energy. Petroleum, coal, wood and kerosene. Petrol, coal, kerosene, all these things we get from the ground, from the earth. Wood we get from above earth. So other energies are fossil fuel. Wind, running water, bent bow and flying aeroplane. Wind is blowing, running water is moving, flying aeroplane is also moving. Bent bow will have potential energy, others have kinetic energy. Sun, solar cooker, solar heater, solar cell. Now the cooker, heater and solar cell are the devices, and others are what? Other is sun. Sun is the source. The other three are the devices which use solar energy. Okay. Next, why do we need energy in day-to-day life? We need energy to do work in our day-to-day life. State the relationship between energy and work. If we have more energy, we can do more work. If we have less energy, we can do less work. Give one example each. Mechanical energy. You can say running water or water stored at certain height. Heat energy. Burning paper, burning wood, burning coal. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is nothing but, you can say, electric heater or fan. Chemical energy is your food, candle, coal, all contain chemical energy. Give one relevant example for each of the following transformation of energy. Electrical to heat. Electrical to heat is heater. When you on the heater, you are giving electrical energy and it is converting to heat, or even you can say geyser. Electrical energy to mechanical. Anything which is moving, electrical. You can say electrical car, fan. Okay, all these things are electrical to mechanical. Next page. Electrical energy to light energy. Electrical to light is tube light. Chemical to heat. You can say candle. Chemical energy to light energy. Chemical to light. What is that? Is nothing but chemical to light. Even you can say candle, because when you burn candle, it gives light as well as heat. So you can say burning of candle. Write the energy change that take place in each of the following. Water from height. So it is potential to kinetic. Burning candle, chemical to heat and light. Photosynthesis. So solar to chemical, because it is making its own food. Solar energy while in use. Solar cooker. Solar cooker means it will convert solar energy to heat energy. It is heating your food. Burning matchstick. Same. Chemical to heat and light. Now definition of energy. It is the ability to do work. Hydro energy. The energy which a running water contains. It is called as, or the energy which we get from water. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the body due to its motion. Potential energy. The energy possessed by the body due to its position. Biomass. It is the dead remains or the waste of living organisms, like dead animals, plants, leaves, which get deep buried inside the earth. Answer the following questions in short. What is meant by energy? Energy, it is a capacity to do work. Its SI unit is joule. Please write it down, joule. How does winding a toy cause a movement? Because when you are winding, you are changing the shape of it, the configuration of the spring. So you are storing potential energy. When you release it, its potential energy gets converted to kinetic energy. This is the way it works. Show that the sun is the ultimate source of energy. Now there are different forms of energy, like hydro energy, wind energy, okay, solar energy. So one is solar energy, which we get directly from sun. Wind energy, it depends on wind. Wind is produced due to what? Due to difference in pressure. So pressure is generated due to difference in temperature. So it is because of the sun. Biomass. So the dead remains of plants and animals get buried deep inside the earth. And because of the sun, the heat of the sun, what does happen? The energy is, the solar energy goes into the sun, into the earth, and decomposition take place. And because of that, the energy which we get is called as biogas or the fossil fuel. Next, hydro, water. Water we get from river and sea or ocean. From where did we get the water? It is due to the rain. How does rain take place? Because of the evaporation of water. So we get evaporation of water, and then condensation, we get clouds, and because of clouds we get rain. From rain we get ocean and sea water gets filled. So ultimately everything is dependent on sun, directly or indirectly. Okay, next. What is meant by transformation of energy? It is a process in which one energy gets changed to another. Right? Now I am speaking. So which energy is getting converted to which? My chemical energy, the food, chemical energy is getting converted to sound energy. State the law of conservation of energy. Please write it down. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. But the total energy in the universe remains constant. Energy we cannot create, neither can we destroy. But the total energy will always remain constant. How is energy stored in a bow? How is this energy utilized? The energy which is stored in a bow is a potential energy. When you release the bow, its potential energy gets converted to kinetic energy. So you can write that. Explain with the help of an example how magnetism is a form of energy. Now magnet, you know that magnet, we have south pole and north pole. So there is energy possessed by the magnet. When you bring another magnet near to it, the like poles will repel. North and north will go away. North and south will attract. So because of that, we come to know it. There is a form of energy because some work is done. Right? There is a movement. If there is a movement, means some work is done. That work is because of the magnetic force present in it. How can you prove that light is a form of energy? You can prove light is a form of energy. Because of light we can see each other. So it helps us to see the objects, and which proves that light is a form of energy. Whenever you burn a candle, chemical energy is getting converted to some form, that is heat and light. So energy, when it converts, the output will also be energy. So if chemical is a form of energy, then the light is also a form of energy. So you can give n number of examples. Now here there are particular example, but you can give example of your choice. You will get your marks. Next, what is a biomass? As I said, biomass is a dead remains of plants and animals. How can we get energy from biomass? The energy which we get from biomass is biogas. Have you heard of biogas plant? Right? So from biogas plant, the energy which we get can be used for domestic purpose, means cooking purpose. Instead of LPG, which we use at our place, in villages they don't have LPG. They use what? Kerosene, wood or cow dung. But these are highly polluting. Instead of that, what they can do is they can use biomass. What do you mean by energy conservation? Why should energy be conserved? Give the steps you would take at home to conserve energy. We have already studied conservation of energy means what? Saving of energy. Why should we save energy? Because if we do not save energy, there would be a day where there won't be any form of energy. We will not get any form of energy, because if I use petrol and diesel, if I am not careful enough, there would be a day when there won't be any petrol and diesel. Then all the cars will be useless. Right? All the petrol and diesel cars would be useless. So we have to conserve energy. What would you do at your home? So to save energy, what I will do, in a daytime, instead of switching on the tube lights, what I will do, I will open the windows. I will get enough light. And when the taps are not in use, I will close it. While brushing my teeth, if there is a tap which is running, I will close it. Okay. At night, if there is a cool breeze, I will not on the fan, especially in winters or rainy season. I will just open the windows. So these are small steps. If everyone takes care of it, we can save energy, and that is what we are implementing. Whatever we studied, which we have implemented. Next time, what we will do is, we will continue the other question answers, and also we will see the numericals. Thank you.